Hello students, the last lecture we have discussed the topic asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. Asexual reproduction in multicellular organism. What is meant by asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction means the without the union of gametes. So it is called as asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, only involve the parent cell. But today's discuss the topic sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. What is mean by sexual reproduction? In a sexual reproduction, with the union of gametes. Which are gametes are union of gametes? The male gametes and female gametes. The female gametes means male germ cell and female germ cell. Both the germ cell they are union with each other and to or fusion of two germ cell and to form a zygote and to form embryo and to formation of a individual. So in a sexual reproduction, so male gametes or male gametes reproduce male germ cell and female gametes reproduce female germ cell, and both these germ cells in a sexual reproduction, both the union of both the germ cells, and to formation of a to formation of to form a individual. In a sexual reproduction, there are occurs main two processes. One is gamete formation and another is the fertilization. First, we have discussed what is meant by gamete formation. The gamete formation, the male germ cell and female germ cell are reproduced by the process of meiosis process to produce a male germ cell and female germ cell are already studied in lesson number 2, meiosis process and mitosis process. The meiosis process to divide to division of male germ cell, to divide the division of male germ cell and female germ cell. In male germ cell, having their in cell a present, how many chromosomes are there? 46 chromosomes are there, and 46 chromosome means 23 chromosomes of male germ cell and 23 chromosomes of female germ cell, both are union and to formation of a diploid cell means 46 chromosomes are there. But in gamete formation, male germ cell will be formed and their number will be in germ cell reduced to half, means 46 into half is 23 chromosomes are there and to form a germ cell. Now, in a sexual reproduction always occurs with the help of two germ cells are there, female gametes and male gametes. Are those two germ cells, two main processes occurs in the sexual reproduction. First process is gamete formation. So gamete formation, male gamete and female gametes. So firstly, male gametes and female gametes they are produced or gamete is formed by the which process occur? Meiosis process occur. In a meiosis process, chromosome number is reduced to half, means total chromosome are present in cell is in diploid cell is 46, but in a gamete formation their number of chromosome will be reduced to half, means how many chromosomes in haploid cell to form diploid to haploid is only 23 chromosomes are there, and this cell it is called as haploid cell. Okay, so diploid means how many chromosomes are there? So it is 46 chromosomes are there. In germ cell their number will be reduced to half, means 46 to half is 23, and that cell is haploid cell. That cell it is called as haploid cell, and hence haploid gamete form in gamete formation, means gamete formation can process occur by meiosis process can occur to form a germ cell, and that time the chromosome number will be half and to form haploid cell in the process all this process, it is called as the gamete formation. Okay, now second type is fertilization. What is meant by fertilization? Fertilization means in a gamete formation to produce a gametes, male gametes and female gametes, and to form a two germ cell, male germ cell and female germ cell. Male gamete produce male germ cell, female gamete produce female germ cell, and we both the cell in fertilization process, both the cell, they can get union, they can union and to form of to formation of a another process. A diploid zygote is formed. Diploid means two haploid cell, two haploid cell, they fuse to each other and to formation of a diploid zygote. And diploid zygote is formed in this process by union of haploid male and female gametes, and the zygote divides by mitotically or mitosis process, and embryo develops and to form a new individual. Means two haploid cell, they can get fused and to formation of diploid zygote, and diploid zygote will be formed, and then after mitosis process can occur, and there mitotically cell division can occur and to formation of a number of cell to form. A number of cell get formed, group of cell tissue form, tissue to organ form, organ to organ system form, and the whole individual, the formation by the mitotically. After zygote formation, mitotically or mitosis process can occur in embryo, and that time to form a new individual, to form a new individual. But in to formation of new individual, male and female gamete, they can fuse and to formation of a zygote, zygote to form embryo, and that embryo develop, and then after mitosis process can occur and to formation of a individual. But that individual are male and female male and female, their chromosomes, they are fused to each other, male and female, so that time similarity or variation can occur in new individual. Now two parents, that is male parents and female parents, are involved in this process, reproduction fusion of male gametes of male parents and female gamete of female parents. Then that occurs due to this new individual and the formation union, so to formation of a new individual always has the recombined gene, means male and female. So male gamete having their male having their characteristics like as the male, and then female cell having their like as a characteristic female germ cell. So that time both the chromosomes they are recombined with each other, and both parents, and hence the to formation of it that these individual as shows similarities and with parents like as that parents, and for some characters and has some character different than both the parents. Sometime both the recombination of these gene chromosome, so that time similarities occur in that individual like as to parents, but sometime their characteristics are different than the both parents. So the diversity in living organism occur due to genetic variation, and hence to produce a new individual on earth, that time that individual are variability or diversity in nature or diversity of organism in the environment, means each and every organism are not similar to each other. Not similarity means it is the drawbacks, or it is the uh, disadvantages of this sexual reproduction. So that time in asexual reproduction, their similarity in the individuals are more as compared to sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction, in asexual reproduction do not a union of without union of gametes, so it is called as asexual reproduction. In this in that process asexual reproduction, not male and female germ cell are fused, so that time similarity occur in asexual reproduction. And in a sexual reproduction, so union of gamete, so that time two haploid cell and two haploid cell having their gene will be differ, so that time that genetically variation in that individual, and so that time diversity occur in a living organisms occur due to genetic variation, like as some factors are there, they are affects on that genetically variation or gene, so that time genetically variation occur in that living organism. In simple way, in this lecture discuss what is mean by sexual reproduction. Simple way, sexual reproduction means simple, both the union of gametes male and female, means in sexual reproduction the involvement of two gametes male and female gametes, but in asexual reproduction without union of gametes means only parent cell are involved in asexual reproduction, but in sexual reproduction, so union of gametes male and female gametes. So sexual reproduction occur two main process. First one is the gamete formation. Gamete formation occur by meiosis process can occur and to formation of a haploid cell. What is mean by haploid cell? Haploid cell means the number of in diploid cell 46 chromosomes are there, but number will be reduced 46 to half it, so that time to 23 chromosomes, so that time to formation of a germ cell, it is haploid germ cell, and that time the meiosis process can occur, haploid cell form. Then next method is the fertilization. In fertilization two haploid cell are combined male and female and to formation of a zygote, diploid zygote to formation of embryo, and then after embryo form, then after mitotically that embryo of mitotically divide and to formation of a grouping of cell, tissue, organ and organ system, and new organism will be formed, new individual will be formed, and that time that like as the dissimilarity similarity in the individual.